Hey guys, it's Florida MJ420 here, and today I've got an unboxing video of a Rasta Buddha Tao Splinter Z version 2 flower vaporizer. And it's an attachment that goes on top of a mod. So let's get it opened up and see what it's like. I'm just going to unbox this thing in this video and let you see what comes with it. I do have some extras in here today because I saw a little promotion he was running where they had some wooden tubes. They had like some that didn't fit quite right, so they gave them away for free. And then also I was order number 4200, so he said he was going to throw something in there for me. So let's see what we got. I'm really excited about this. I love vaping flower. Alright, so I did order a set of mouthpieces. It was $25 for 5 mouthpieces, so I figure I might as well go ahead and do that. We got screens here. I'll open those up and let you see what they look like. And we got 4 more over here. Wow. So I think this comes with 2, or maybe 1. I'm not sure. I guess we're going to see. This is version 2 of the Splinter Z. It's a really nice package. All that we are arises with our thoughts. With our thoughts, we make the world. Oh, and it's got other ones too. I'm not going to read them all. Alright, let's see what it looks like. It's pretty cool. A quick start guide for it. Warranty. So here's 3 screens. So it looks like I got 9 screens total. Alright, yes, so it does come with 2. This is the Splinter V2. So first I'm going to open the mouthpieces, hoping I don't drop them everywhere. And these are the short mouthpieces that they come with. So it comes with 2 of these. Gotta love the packaging, man. It's really high class. It's like all rustic and looks really nice. So we got 2 of the smoky short pieces. Looks like we got a cleaning tool and a little dab tool. Or I guess that's probably just a cleaning tool. Got a cool little bag here. I wonder if it's made out of hemp. Just gotta love this packaging. Alright. Man, that is so pretty. So there's the bowl. And there's the 510 connection. So you put that on a mod, you pack your medical marijuana right in here, put that on top. I think you have to let it heat up for a couple seconds, and then you just take a big old rip on it. I have to figure that out. I couldn't get any rip on that. There's probably some instructions there. There we go. So here we have what comes in. Whoa! Here we have what comes in the kit, and you cannot, for the record, you cannot lay it down like that. That doesn't work. The Splinter V2, and I believe the V2 is just the color. It's a darker kind of wood. You got this cool bag, and it came with 3 screens as well. So that's the Splinter Z V2, and I'll have another video where I try this out on some flower. Now I ordered a kit of 5 mouthpieces. Let's see. So here's the XL Junior mouthpiece. This one's kind of cool. So what this is a cooling mouthpiece. And it has those nipples inside it. See that? And so basically it just makes the path a lot longer for the vapor. And it cools it down. Pretty cool. So that's one of the 5-piece kit that I got. Oh man. Oh yes, he threw in. Wait a second. Yeah, he threw in the big accelerate stem. Heck yeah. I wanted a big cooling stem. Okay. Tapered mouthpiece. So this is one of them. I wanted to try this. This looks a lot more comfortable for, your lips. To vape on. So that's definitely from the 5-piece kit. Those two are from the 5-piece kit. I got a short mouthpiece. Yep, that's from the 5-piece kit. And it was 5 of these mouthpieces for 25 bucks. So it was a really good deal. Another tapered mouthpiece. Not quite sure if that was from the kit. I think it was. What do we got here? I think those are going to be wood. No, that's a wooden mouthpiece. It's just, oh, nice. Look at that wood mouthpiece. Oh, man, I got it. Oh, my goodness, it matches. It matches. Heck yeah. That is beautiful. Man, I can't wait to try this one out. All right, let's see what else is in this one. Got clear restricted mouthpiece. I wonder if these are the flavor mouthpieces. I haven't really read about it. I think this is for that kit. So this must be an extra he threw in for me being the 4200th order. This is pretty cool. I got a short stubby one. That's definitely from the kit. Okay, so this is the 5 for $25 kit. I think that's a good deal considering the normal price. Here, I'll put them down like that. So that's this is the 5 for 25, and these are the extras that he threw in. This was a special they were running on the forum. I saw it on, they posted on Reddit, and they just had a bunch of leftover wooden stems. Oh man. Yes, these things are so cool. I love this wood. Another wooden stem. I guess it pays to be the 4200th order, huh? Another wooden stem. Heck yeah. Alright, is that everything? Man, thank you so much, guys. This is amazing. This is probably... Oh yeah, and these came with that 5 kit. So here's what I got. This was a special they were running. Right here. Extra leftovers. They don't fit totally perfectly, they say. It's a little tiny bit loose, but man, it fits well enough for me, you know. Hopefully, if it draws enough, then it will. These things are beautiful. I'm so glad he sent those. And then this is a big cooling stem. The exhalator, I think it's called. All those nipples inside of there cool down the vapor. And then this must be extra screens that came with that. So I got 9 screens total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 stems total. And this beautiful flower vape here. And a warranty. I'm going to take a look at that. You can pause it and read that if you want to. 1 year limited warranty. And from what I've read, this guy's very passionate about his products, and basically you send it back to him, you know, you pay the shipping back to him and he'll fix it for you. So I think that's a really good deal, considering this is, you know, beautiful wooden flower vape. I mean, oh man, this looks so much cooler than all the, you know, everything looks so electronic-y and futuristic. I love this. This is really sleek. Oh, here you go. Here's an explanation for the wooden mouthpieces, if you want to read that. And I will let you know the total on all this stuff in the description. So just check down there for that. But this is a really good deal. I mean, I think you should go for these if you have one of these and you need more stems, or usually it's like 40 bucks, I think, for these 2 in a kit plus some screens. And so, or maybe it's 30 bucks. So if you can get all of this for 25, that's a really good deal. That's how I looked at it. And you know, if you ever drop one, break one, you got tons of spares. Well, there you have it. It's the Splinter Z version 2 from Rasta Buddha Tao. And it looks like it's going to be pretty cool. You have to check out my other videos where I'm going to test it out and see how it does. And one thing you should know about the splinters is that there's always a V1 and a V2, and it's just the only difference is the wood color, I believe. So this is the V2 is always the dark wood. Hey guys, one thing that I forgot to mention about the splinter is that the difference between the Splinter Z and just the regular splinter is that this Z has a Zion heater in it, which is a bigger heater with a bigger thermal mass, I believe. And it's what they used in their Zion vape, which was a much bigger vape that they discontinued. But so this is supposed to, it takes a little bit longer to heat up, but it's supposed to vape your herb much more evenly and more powerfully, I assume. So we'll see. The one thing I've heard about the difference in use is that the splinters, the normal splinters that are not the Splinter Z, just the Splinter V1 and V2, have a tendency to have hot spots a bit in the middle, whereas this one is not as prone to having hot spots in it. So I just wanted to let you know a little bit of a difference between the two. Well, thank you very much for watching. Check out my video where I test these out. Have a good one.